This is the second question from POC subject in the series of 8 CSE PYQs. And this question asks us to check which of the following languages cannot be accepted by the DFA, right? So remember this, guys. Our DFA cannot do counting. Our DFA cannot do mathematical computation. Our DFA cannot store result. So if any of these four languages ask us to do count or do mathematical computation or store the result, we can directly say that it is not accepted by DFA. Also, one more thing. I have solved many GATE CSE PYQs and I have realized this the option elimination method works best in POC subjects. So let's use that power. So coming to option number D, you can see that in option number D, the number of ones in the before this zero should be equal to the number of ones after zeros. Similarly, here number of ones should be equal to before zeros should be equal to the number of ones after zeros. So here the question asks us to do counting and DFA can't do counting. But what counting? We should count the number of ones before zeros and we should count the number of ones after zeros, and both must be equal. So since there is a counting and DFA cannot do counting, so this option for this option we can't create DFA. Coming to option number C, the set of binary strings in which the number of zeros is same as the number of ones, right? So here also we have to do counting of number of zeros and the number of ones. So again there is counting and DFA cannot do counting, so DFA is not possible for option number C2. Okay, now coming to option number B, numbers 1, 2, 4, 2 raised to the power and written in unary. First of all, let us understand what is unary. We know that binary means two symbols. Binary means symbols, that is 0 and 1. Unary means only one symbol. So you can represent a number using only one symbol. Either that symbol be 0, 1, 2 or anything, right? And it could be any alphabet also, A, B, C. It could be any special symbol like hashtag, @ or dollar, something like this. So, but the symbol needs only, like we have to use only one symbol. So how to represent 1 in unary? Represent 1 in unary, let's say we are taking symbol 0. So this is 1. How to represent 2? So this is 2. Just represent them by their count. How to represent 4? It is like this. Next, it is 2 raised to the power 0, 2 raised to the power 1, 2 raised to the power 2, 2 raised to the power 3. So 2 raised to the power 3 is 8. How to represent 8? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So like this, we have to do mathematical computation here. Every time we need to calculate a power of 2. So here mathematical computation required. Therefore, DFA cannot be possible. Now option number A. So since all the three options are wrong, then obviously the option number A is correct. But let's draw the DFA for it. So the numbers 1, 2, 4, 8, 2 raised to the power and written in binary. Now these numbers are written in binary. Okay. So we can use two symbols 0 and 1. So how is 1 written in binary? Just 1. How is 2 written in binary? 1, 0. How is 4 written in binary? 1, 0, 0. How is 8 written in binary? 1, 0, 0. How is 16 written in binary? 1, 4 times 0. So you can observe this pattern that the string starts from 1. After that, we can have any number of zeros. Here 0 number of zeros, here 1 number of zeros, 2 number of zeros, 3 number of zeros, 4 number of zeros. So just we need to remember one thing, the string should start from 1 and then we can have any number of zeros. So if we draw DFA for it, so it will look like this. So here, and then string starts from 1. If it starts from 1, then we should reach to our final state. And in final state, we can have any number of zeros. If, like you can see that in this language, in this string, 1 is only coming one time and that gets starting. So if we get 1 again here, so it is a wrong. So it is a wrong language. We cannot accept this. So if we encounter 1 after reaching final state, we should go to dead state. And in dead state again, we should have transition for 0 and 1. And if we encounter 0 at the starting, initial symbol is 0, then also we should reach the dead state. Now this is our DFA for it. So since we have created a DFA for this, so option number A is correct.